Welcome my dear student. I hope you are well. I am also well. You know that the whole world and also Bangladesh are affected by COVID-19. Already has losing our lesson. So the government decided to take some steps to recover it or make up it. One of them online class or virtual class. Today I take a virtual class for you. At first, introduce to myself and our lesson. I am Prafullo Kumar Bormon, English teacher, Ruia High School, Ruia Thakurgan. Subject English second paper, class 6 to 8. Dear student, at first and carefully look at the slides or picture and try to guess. It is a nice flower. A flower is a sign of beauty. Here is underline A and here is underline A. Next, I bought an umbrella. It is an apple. Here is underline N and here is underline N. Next picture, the man is blind. The man is blind or the man is blind. I clear to next, the or the, which is the right pronunciation. The man is blind, here is underline the. Look at the board. The or the, which is the right pronunciation. We are easy to clear. Dadir CV. Dadir CV. Dadir CV. C that means consonant, V that means vowel. If the first word of a sentence or words, consonant, here is consonant, so it is the. I vowel, we pronounce as the. Consonant, first word, if the consonant, we pronounce as the, and first word, when vowel, we pronounce as the. Be clear? Here is 3 sentences. It is a nice flower. A, I bought an umbrella. The man is blind. Here is underline A, N and the. I hope you are already guessed. A and the indicates articles. So today's our topic name is articles. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will able to number 1, tell about articles. Number 2, use articles A and N. Only 2 topics today I discuss. At first you try to know where is the source of articles or where it's come from. Follow the example carefully. I have one cow. I have an cow. I have a cow. Here is one, N and A. Next example. That baby is very nice to look at. So I like the baby very much. Dear student, that baby and the baby is the same person. That baby and the baby is a same person. That change the. So one change A or short N, N short A and that short the. So the main source of articles one and that. A and the mainly not articles. A and the actually demonstrative adjective, but now it is called determiner because it indicates some things and use always before noun. Be memorized, it indicates something and use always before noun. So what is articles? Article is a word which is used before noun. Already we see, now already have seen article use always before noun to indicate its definitive or indefinitive. Article is a word which is used before noun to indicate its definitive or indefinitive. Next point, how many kinds or types of articles? Mainly articles two types. Mainly article two types. Number one, indefinite articles, and number two, definite articles. Dear student, here is some extra articles. Number 3, zero articles, and number 4, double articles. Not only two types, including of 4, zero articles and double articles. We discuss about step by step. First, indefinite articles. Look at the picture. Or example, I have a mobile phone. He bought an orange. Here is a mobile phone. It is one kind of mobile phone, but here is no indicate the names. Symphony mobile phone, Android mobile phone, Nokia mobile phone, old mobile phone, but new mobile or new mobile phone. Such as he bought an orange. Who is orange? Pick orange, general orange, Indian orange, Bangladeshi orange or foreign orange. Here is no indicate. So it is indefinite articles. Indefinite article not assured the person or thing. Number 2, definite articles. Number 2, definite article. I saw the man who came here yesterday. The book is on the table. Here is the man. That means I know the man who came here yesterday. Indicates the man. And the book, as like as, the pen on the table. As like as or such as, the book is on the table. Here is indicate the man and the book. So it is definite article. Definite article that means mention the person or thing. Next, zero article. He is dash honest. Dear student, look at the board. He is dash honest. Honest. Here is cross because here is no use of articles. When we cross the gap, that means zero articles. Zero articles. Now we get marks. We get marks, half or 1. Next, double articles. An old man came to me and requested me to give him some food. I looked at the old man and he was suffering from disease. Here is an old man and the old man is the same person. Double article, that means a or an or any articles or not use of articles. After that, the man or thing use again or again. Next we fill up the gap, always the. Always the. So it is a double article. Now we discuss about a and n. Generally, a is before vowel and a is before consonant. Look at carefully, my dear student. Generally, n used before vowel and a used before consonant, but it has some exceptional rules. We know that vowel a, e, I, o, u total 5 and consonant 21. At first we use of a. He is an assistant teacher. Mr. Kobir is an American. Here is a and here is a, so we use before n. Here is n and here is n. Next, use of e. I shall buy an egg. He is an editor. Here is vowel e and here is vowel e. So we use before n and before n. Dear student, should be noted. If after e, u oblique w, you will use a instead of e. Again, if after e, u oblique w, you will use a instead of e. As such as he is a European, I saw a UE. Here is e after u and here is e after w. Here is w. So we use article a and here is a. Old or ancient, some rules. E pronouns like you, so we use a. E pronouns like you, so we use a. Not a, no need to pronounce. We see and use a or n. Next, use of I. She is an innocent girl. Robbie is an intelligent boy. Here is vowel I, so we use article n. It has no exceptional rules. Next, use of O. Where we use of O. He is an orphan boy. Mr. Rohim is an old man. Here is vowel O, so we use before article n, here is n. My dear students, should be noted, if after O, n oblique a, you will use a instead of O. Again, if after O, n oblique a, you will use a instead of O. Such as, I have a 1 taka note. It is a oasis of Arabian. I saw a one-eyed man. Here is O after n. Here is O after a. Here is O after n. So we use a and a. Use of you. It is an umbrella. Selim is an unkind man. She is an untidy girl. Here is vowel u, so use n. Here is vowel u, so use n, and here is u, so use n. Should be noted, after u, ni oblique p oblique s, you will use a instead of n. Example, he is a university student. Thakurgan is a upojela. The cow is a useful animal. Here is u after ni, here is ni, p, here is upojela, u after p, and u after s. So we use here article a and a. My dear student, sometimes we see many short alphabet, those who is called abbreviation. Abbreviation word or short word. Here is F, H, L, M, N, S, I, X. Here is 8 alphabet. If you any word, the first word A, H, L, M, N, S, I, X, you always use before N. Otherwise, use A. As like as Mr. Hassan is an LLB. He is an FRCS. Here is L. Look at L. Here is F. Here is F. So you use before N. And otherwise, after 21 words, you will use always not 20, 21 minus 8. 13 words. 13 words you use before A, and 8 words you use before N. My dear student, I hope you are enjoy this class very nicely. Today I finished here. Next class we discuss about next topics. So, my dear student, thank you all for joining me. Okay, goodbye.